today. All was not lost today.
I think everybody needs to pray. Shit, I would've lost my mind if I ain't pray. Shit, I lost my mind and got it back praying.
In a desperate way.
Yeah.
I need you in a desperate way.
Yeah.
I've been grinding for years. It's like when the money come, then the liars appear. Down on my knees like, why am I here? You told me to pray and I did, but my pop still died smoking cigs. That's why I stopped going to church, telling my mama I was tired from work. Shit, I was holding a grudge, cause time you ain't give them enough. Full of hate cause you ain't show us no love. Shit, that's what I thought, but I knew I was wrong. Cause I know people without parents, and shit before two they was gone. Help move his body, it felt like a scary movie was on. Lord, give me peace cause these feelings ain't gone. I need you.
And I ain't ashamed to admit I was wrong. You know, a lot of the pressure we put on ourselves, we do that because we trying to handle things that we honestly need to get a gun.
In a desperate way.
I got better with that.
I need you
Yeah.
in a desperate way.
Yeah.
Lord, I need you for my partner. That stress been on him bad. He been talking about a chopper out the blue. He get sad, so he went and saw a doctor. If they can fix it, you can. So I'm begging you to watch it, keep him safe for me. He just wanna be great, thinking about getting some bags out of state. But I told him to chill, cause in the city they ain't playing straight. And if they cross him, I'll probably shoot them boys in the face. Help him get it the right way, and see it end without catching a light case. For trying to move drugs like a Rite Aid. Help my dog start a business or two, the double working, so I'm coming to you. I need you.
I need you in a desperate way. I need you in a desperate way. I need you in a
Yeah. Yeah. I'ma always ride with my. We got it out the mud, so it's only right that I shine with my. Sitting back, plotting no money, thinking about the grind with my. Yeah. I'ma always ride with my. I'ma always ride with my. Hitman just told me keep going, so I ain't stopping. $1 billion dream, plotting on making the profit. I ain't gotta walk my back up, Bentley gon' watch it. And if a bugging out, I promise we gon' squash him. I ain't have brothers, all I had was my cousin. Long as I'm alive, Josh ain't gonna need nothing. Ziggy down the ride, on the road we been hustling. He done rolled 1,000,000 times and he ain't asked me for nothing. If that's your for real, then he ain't gonna let you do some shit and crash out and have you wait for your kids. He gon' help you get to the money and smile when you cash out. I'ma always ride with my. We got it out the mud, so it's only right that I shine with my. Sitting back, plotting no money, thinking about the grind with my. Yeah. I'ma always ride with my. I'ma always ride with my.
We come from the streets, that's what he changed. Just some souvenirs. Could've bought a Wraith, I'd rather stack my money by a live. Ride with my to the end, if they wrong or right. Up my head when they gave my young life sentence. We were broken, now we went and told my my dog, this just the start. Ray J told me keep going hard, swear that they're my bar. I just put up in the scat, thanking God I got them rats. Promise I ain't looking back, put my city on my back. They just gave my uncle 10, he was supposed to see me win. Told him when he come back home, on my AMG to Benz. Remember spinning blocks, riding in a runner rock. We got it out the mud, now we shining like some superstars.
I'ma always ride with my. We got it out the mud, so it's only right that I shine with my. Sitting back, plotting no money, thinking about the grind with my. Yeah. I'ma always ride with my. I'ma always ride with my.